Hey, I'm Rachel from Blooming Artificial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create your own artificial window box. What you'll need: an empty window box, a plastic bag, stones or sand, oasis foam, a knife, artificial flowers and foliage. Step 1. Take your empty bag and add some sand or stones, then tie it securely. We'll use this to weigh down your window box so it doesn't blow around in the wind. Step 2. Next, you'll need to fill your window box with oasis foam, which is perfect for this as it will soak up any rain and keep your flowers in place. You can push your oasis in so that it's tightly packed and use a knife to cut smaller pieces to fill any empty gaps. If you need to add any extra weight, you can add some stones or gravel on top of the oasis to keep your flowers in place, and it will also keep the oasis out of sight. Step 3. When you're ready, poke your flowers and stems into the oasis. Most arrangements tend to have a centerpiece with either some flowers or large foliage, but really there's no rules about how your arrangements should look. I'm using one of our mini cedar pines in the middle for height, and then some pansy bushes at the sides. Hopefully at this point your window box will be looking great, but if you need any help at all, please feel free to get in touch and one of the team will be happy to help. Thanks for watching!